Today, let's learn how to open zip files on iPhone. So for those who want to open zip files over there on iOS devices, all we need to do is to actually head on to to the file location where we downloaded that specific zip file. So in order to do this, all we need to do is actually head on to our Files app over here on iPhone, and conveniently, it should be right here. Of course, it's going to be different on where you downloaded placed your Files app. And all we need to do once we're here is to actually head on and look for the file that you have where you downloaded your zip file. And of course, this will be a compressed file, which you should be able to unzip over here. Alright, so in this case, we have this specific file, which is a compilation of 4 photos. Now, how do you actually unzip this specific file? Well, you could actually click over here and basically click on compress, and that will convert that into a zip file. Now you have a zip file. Perfect for this example. So how do you actually unzip this file? Well, just long press that specific file, which is a zip file, click on uncompressed. And now it has been uncompressed, which is also the same file as this one. And of course, that is how you unzip files on iPhone. Please subscribe to this generally if you have not already. I'll see you in the next video.